Hi, my name is Julie Beneke, and I'm a realtor with Alliance Team Realty. And one segment of sellers that I work with are adult children that have to sell their parents' home, either because the parent has passed away or they've gone to assisted living or a nursing home, and the house has to be sold. Now, many people that I work with, they simply are very busy right now, as we all are. And it might not be the most convenient thing to have to declutter, update, or repair their parents' home. And that's where my team and I come in. We understand that it might not be a very convenient time for you. It still needs to be done, but your time is very valuable. So we come alongside sellers like you. And my team and I, because I have a great team, we take care of all the phases of getting the house cleaned out, updating it if it needs to be, doing some minor repairs, getting it listed, and getting it sold for you. We want to take that burden off you, and that's what we do. So if you find yourself in this situation, I would love the opportunity to meet with you, either at the house itself or via Zoom, whatever it might be. But I really want to come alongside and put a plan together to help you through this difficult time. Because again, your time is very valuable. So if this is something that you'd like to pursue, again, I would love the opportunity to meet with you. So you can email me, you can text me, or you can call me, because yes, I do still answer my phone, and I'd love the opportunity to speak with you. So thank you so much for watching.